Hi everyone, gracias que to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. I'm so excited to show you how to make this recipe. It's a simple dessert. We're calling it Nutella Phyllo twists. There's just a few ingredients that are needed to make this. It's crispy, syrupy, chocolatey, all good things. So it's perfect if you want to make something quickly for your next get-together or a little treat for the family or your loved ones. Let me show you how I make it. We're going to begin by making the syrup, and the syrup is totally optional, but if you're making it, make it first so it can have a chance to cool down. In my little saucepan over here, I'll add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. This is going to go on the stovetop and cook until it comes to a boil and all of the sugar has dissolved completely. Then we'll turn the heat off and stir in a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Set it aside to cool, and the syrup is ready just like that, very simply. Now we're gonna assemble the twists. So easy. You wanna make sure that your phyllo has thawed out overnight in the refrigerator. It's sold in the freezer section of the supermarket. You don't wanna take it out of the freezer and start using it. It's gonna be a mess, stuck together. So make sure you thaw it out in your fridge first, and then you leave it at room temperature for at least an hour. And we're gonna open this up, and I have some butter that's melted over here, about 150 grams. That's a stick and a half almost. You maybe need a little bit less than that. I'm using unsalted butter, and that is ready to go as well. And then whatever chocolate hazelnut spread that you love, that's the one that you can use. Warm it a little bit, either in some warm water, or you can pop it in the microwave for a few seconds. That's gonna make it much easier to work with. You can just pour it onto the phyllo. Otherwise, it's gonna start getting stuck. If you don't like Nutella, you can use a vanilla hazelnut spread or even a pistachio spread. Totally up to you. I'm giving you all the options here, so you can use whatever you like. We're going to take one sheet at a time and brush it very gently with some of the melted butter. Place another sheet on top, do the same thing, melted butter. And then we're going to gently scrunch it up from both sides towards the center, keeping the middle a little bit loose. Drizzle as much of the chocolate hazelnut spread in the center right there as your heart desires, and then we're going to gently close it and twist it slightly, just a little bit, to create that texture. That's what's going to make it nice and crispy. We're going to keep making these twists, and they're going to go in a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Brush them very generously with the remaining butter, and they're going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit on the center rack until they're golden and crispy. That takes about 30 minutes or so. As soon as they come out of the oven, we're going to pour that syrup on top if we're using it. If not, leave the syrup out, and you could just dust them with some powdered sugar. And once they cool down just a little bit, they'll be ready to serve. And there you have it. The Nutella Phyllo twists are ready. Now I drizzled them with the vanilla syrup just to keep it traditional, to kind of give it that baklava type texture and flavor. You can leave the syrup out if you want it less sweet and more crispy, and just dust these off with some powdered sugar. These are so good, warm, straight out of the oven with some vanilla ice cream. I mean, if you're not counting calories or carbs, definitely the way to go. They're so good. You can print out the recipe on the website, dimitrasdishes.com. Make them. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes,